When rain hits the ground, most people see water. Farmers see hope or heartbreak. The difference lies in the soil. In a world facing longer droughts, drying rivers, and thirsty crops, there's one silent hero we've overlooked: the living soil beneath our feet. Welcome to Chapter 3, Soil's Secret Weapon. In this chapter, we'll uncover how healthy soil acts like a natural reservoir, storing water, nourishing roots, and protecting farms from the worst impacts of drought. The battle for water may be above ground, but the solution begins below. Rethinking the water crisis. Water scarcity has become one of the defining challenges of our time. We build dams, we drill wells, we fight over rivers, but there's something we often miss, something right beneath our feet: soil. Soil isn't just dirt, it's a living sponge, a memory of every raindrop, a reservoir shaped by roots, microbes, and organic matter in degraded, compacted soils. Water rushes off like rain on concrete, but in healthy soil, it sinks. The science behind soil water retention. Let's break it down. Healthy soil is made up of minerals, air, water, and most importantly, organic matter. This organic matter comes from compost, plant roots, decayed leaves, and microbial life. It forms a rich, spongy layer that can hold water like a reservoir. Every 1% increase in soil organic matter allows that soil to store an extra 20,000 gallons of water per acre. That's enough to irrigate a field for days, maybe even weeks, during a drought. Imagine pouring water onto a cracked sidewalk, and then onto a sponge. That's the difference between dead soil and living soil. Lies beneath the surface, but the story doesn't stop with organic matter. Under the surface, a microscopic world is working 24/7 to help soil hold and share water. Plant roots tunnel through the ground, creating space for water to collect. Earthworms loosen the soil and recycle nutrients. But the real stars? Mycorrhizal fungi. These invisible networks connect plant roots underground, forming living bridges that carry water and nutrients across the soil. It's like a natural irrigation system built by nature itself. Healthy soil isn't just a sponge, it's an intelligent water delivery system. From crisis to change, real-world success stories. Across the world, farmers are rediscovering the power of soil. In the dry farmlands of Rajasthan, India, in the rocky terrain of Balochistan, Pakistan, in the drought-hit valleys of California, USA, farmers who embrace regenerative practices, cover cropping, composting, no-till farming, are reporting water retention improvements of up to 40%. One California almond farm replaced synthetic fertilizers with compost and planted cover crops between the tree rows. The result? They cut irrigation by 30% without losing yield. In a state where every drop of water is regulated and rationed, that's not just good farming, it's survival. How to build water-holding soil. You don't need new technology or expensive equipment. You need living soil. Here's how farmers are transforming their land into water-saving machines. Cover cropping protects soil from evaporation and adds organic matter. No-till farming keeps soil structure intact, preventing compaction. Mulching traps moisture at the surface. Composting feeds microbes and boosts soil sponge power. Rotational grazing builds soil through natural fertilization and root action. These practices don't just fight drought, they make farms more productive, resilient, and alive. A bigger picture. Let's zoom out. If we added just 1% more organic matter to every agricultural acre on Earth, we could store billions of gallons of additional water in the soil. That's less strain on rivers, less reliance on irrigation, and more food security for billions. Healthy soil means more than green fields. It means climate resilience, clean water, and thriving rural economies. Shift in mindset. For too long, we've treated soil like a passive surface, something to dig, plant in, and forget. But now we know better. Soil isn't passive. It's active, dynamic, alive. It's a partner in the fight against drought, a solution buried under centuries of neglect, now ready to rise again. The answer isn't always more rain, or more wells, or more irrigation. Sometimes the answer is better soil. In the age of water wars, survival won't come from the sky. It will come from the ground, from farmers rebuilding their fields, from roots weaving resilience, from soil that remembers every drop and gives it back when it's needed most. This is the secret weapon we've been standing on all along. But what if we could go beyond survival? What if we could regenerate the land itself and build farms that thrive, no matter the climate? In the next chapter, we explore how farmers are doing exactly that, turning damaged land into living systems that resist drought, rebuild soil, and restore balance. This is the promise of regeneration.